Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin lólùfẹ́ ìkànnì ṣé àlàáfíà ni mo bá yín ọdẹ ọdún bí wàhálà ti dé sọ́run princess o wàhálà ti dé sí ọrùn princess wọ́n ní tógun bá jẹ lọ ọgbọ̀n á jẹbọ àfàìmọ̀ kí princess gan kó má fojú ba ilé ẹjọ́ ìyẹn ní èjì àfàìmọ̀ ibi tí princess sá lọ ní UK àfàìmọ̀ kó má dá padà sí Naija lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà yìí ẹ̀yin àgbábọ̀ ẹni tó gún bá jẹ lọ ọgbọ̀n máa ń jẹbọ ni o gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kẹ́ ẹ tó gbọ́ pẹrẹpẹrẹ ọ̀rọ̀ kẹ́ ẹ tó gbọ́ wìrìwìrì ọ̀rọ̀ kẹ́ ẹ tó gbọ́ ibi tí ọ̀rọ̀ máa láǹdì sí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo bẹ̀ yín ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí ṣé mo kì í mo máa ń bẹ̀ yín ni ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà princess ti rogi oyin wọ́n ní tá lọ bá lọ àbọ̀ máa ń bọ̀ bí mo ṣe ń wò yìí àfàìmọ̀ kóhun náà má padà fojú ba ilé ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí fún ẹni tó gbígbà àkọ́kọ́ lé léyìí tẹ́ kọ́ máa kàn sí péjì ẹ bá mi subscribe sí Ẹlẹ́yẹlé Global TV mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ fi rọ́kàn tí náà hàn lábẹ́ comment section tẹ́ bá wo fídíò yìí tán ó yá ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni bẹ́ẹ̀ni wọ́n wicked.
ṣé kò sí pé bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà lè fight back ni ṣé wọ́n ní wọ́n ẹ̀rọ jádúró ni ṣé kò sí bí wọ́n ṣe lè ṣe kọ́nà gómìnà ó wọ́n ní ààrẹ máa wọ́n lọ́bọ̀ wọ́n máa ń ṣe àyọ̀ tó ló mú lọ́kọ̀ tó rí several times dáadáa àkọsí ẹ̀rọ láti lẹ́nu rẹ̀ báwọn wọ́n máa ń ṣe nǹkan beyond the reasonable doubt gbogbo ìlọ́tọ̀ kíkọ́ ọmọ tó mú òyìnbó yẹn ẹ̀mẹ́ tó kábí tó mọ̀ bíkọ́ kádájọ́ tó dájọ́ wọ́n fẹ́ bá yé ẹnì kejì jẹ́ tí àwọn protocol ọba lè ṣe kan beyond the reasonable doubt ọlọ́bọ̀ máa fẹ́ nìyẹn sílẹ̀ torí ní tẹ́ǹgbà yẹn ṣẹ́rẹ́ tó jẹ́ president wa lórí Donald Trump ó sì mú máa ní kan lọ́wọ́ ó sẹ́ẹ̀tì yẹn ọ̀fùrì ó ti di president nígbà yẹn lọ́ọ̀yà lẹ́nu tó sẹ́ẹ̀tì ọ̀fùrì àdéhùn lọ́ọ̀yà yẹn fọ́ọ̀d ṣé ibi lè pé wọ́n ààrẹ sí lọ́ọ̀yà yẹn òun gbogbo náà lọ charge for bí gbólówó lọ́wọ́ ó sọ fáìn ó ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ so ní Amẹ́ríkà wọn kì í sẹ́ẹ̀tì ọ̀rọ̀ during that time mi ìmọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ àṣẹ ní same thing ẹ̀ tó bá lọ́wọ́ TVC kí ni Nàìjíríà kí lórúkọ tẹlifíṣàn Ọbásanjọ́ àmúlẹ̀ Ọbásanjọ́ Tinubu náà gbà wọn lọ́ọ̀yà méjì kan wà torí mo follow ẹ̀ o àwọn náà ní tọ́lá journalist yẹn béèrè ìwé ṣe wọ́n lè sẹ́ẹ̀tì ọ̀ wọ́n ní nínú constitution nínú kí ni Nàìjíríà lọ́ọ̀yà pé wọ́n lè sẹ́ẹ̀tì ọ̀ tó bá sẹ́ẹ̀tì ọ̀ wọ́n fi gbà wọlé. mo mú àwọn èèyàn sọ pé bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà wà kẹfù mi ò fẹ́ káwọn yẹn máa sọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣé ẹnìkan wà láyé tó jẹ́ ọkọ̀ dádúró tẹ́ máa sọ pé wà very careful ṣé Mohbad wà very careful Mohbad kọrin kan ní ó ní màá jẹ́ kán mú mi even if na die minute ṣé wọ́n mú ni apàdà jẹ́ ìṣe Mohbad yẹn ọlọ́mbù tó díke tó ṣé Mohbad máa tó díke ni ó ní ṣẹ̀dá wọn tó díke ó ní mo yá fẹ́rẹ́gẹ́ ṣé kò bá wọn Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ni ẹ wo tábà ti jẹ́ ká máa gbàdúrà kọ́nà má jẹ́ kí ayé kó mú wa ṣé Mohbad jẹ́ sọmọ kan tó ṣe kó wà very careful ni wọ́n ti ní mú gbogbo ẹ̀ pa ni ẹ mọ́ sọ wá ní ìbáyà kọsẹ́ni tí o lè bọ́ sí kọsẹ́ni tí o lè bá sọ pé àwọn olórí burúkú yẹn ṣé wọn pa Mohbad tó ẹgbẹ́ tó bá jẹ́ pé Mohbad wà láyé tó ẹgbẹ́ wọn ni Mohbad lọ sí àdìmá dúpẹ́ báyìí tó ẹgbẹ́ wọn pa tó ẹgbẹ́ wọn lọ sí àdìmá dúpẹ́. àwọn tẹ́lẹ̀ sọ ṣé wọn mọ bó ṣe kú ni ṣé wọn mọ yẹn pa wọ́n yẹn kò protect ọmọ yẹn she didn't protect the girl from Damola Adekola since 2020 it was even in the same house special Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà and now investigation that accused Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà the girl was questioned and she pointed the authority to say this is the person sexually abusing me one brother Damola and the security of our house. The police now realize that, Damola Adekola abusing you since when? She said it here before. Did your mother, Princess, know about it? She said, yes. I told her. And the police realized that, madam, why didn't you even tell us about this Damola Adekola? Why did you keep this girl in the vicinity of this guy again? Who are you? They said those ones are not crime. And then they arrested Damola Adekola. Police were doing their job. And then suddenly, Damola Adekola wrote in his statement, said, she's my girlfriend. And then at the point, I can tell you for free, what he said was that if they take him to court, he didn't have sex. He agreed to have sex, but it's not with a 14-year-old. That he will prove that the girl was actually an adult if they charge him to court with Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà. And lo and behold, when they were going to be charging them to court, we just realized that Damola Adekola is now working free. Make it make sense for heaven's sake. And wow, do we have parents in this country? Do we have people that have conscience? Why would they allow him to go? If Princess, the government and the police want to stand with the 14-year-old, why should the person that was arrested in the course of an investigation, in the same victim, same complainant, same investigation, why did they allow him to walk free? Why your conscience is not telling you that? Are you hiding something? Are you trying to pervert the way of justice? Are you trying to satisfy social media? Are you trying to satisfy? This cannot be the temple of justice. And that's where the pain is. So if they can allow Damola Adekola to walk free, despite his confessional statement, then you should be able to say, why are you doing that? In the same investigation, so why is our conscience? Why would anybody want me to keep quiet?
Okay, Mr. Ayemi, thank you very much for this clarity.
What do you have to say to that?
I
I don't have anything to say about my question. You've answered me. That's okay.
Okay, it's okay to allow Damola Adekola to work free.
Sorry?
Is it okay to allow Damola Adekola to work free?
You know, concerning the court of law, since you said the court all of this.
You have to have something to say to it. You have to have something. That's why.
I'm talking now.
Because you know that is it's not good for you. So you have to
Maybe around
say
lóbìnrin.
something. But if you don't want to say anything about that one,
I said I'm talking.
say something about this one now. You have to say something about it.
Wọ́n ní ṣó wà òkè kí Dàmọ́lá Adékọ́lá kó máa work free.
I'm still talking, you're shouting. Hello, I'm sorry, Mr. Fabi. What I wanted to say was that, since you said the court.
Hey, madam, don't tell someone this platform that you said.
He was shouting. Why did he shout at the house?
You're supposed to shout.
Since you said in the court of law that they saw that the other guys you mentioned their names are also guilty. So why do you think they left them? And then I want to ask this as a question now because
Let me correct that. You're not listening.
I'm not listening. I was saying
I never said the court of law said Damola Adekola was guilty. You're not listening. They refused to charge him to court to balance the temple of justice. Because if they should charge Damola Adekola to court, they will realize, number one, that Princess Oti enabled Damola Adekola to continuously abuse that girl who they cover her up. And like Damola Adekola was going to go to court to say, I didn't have sex with any 14-year-old. Even if Lagos State government charged me that I was have sex, yes, I admitted in my statement to the police that I have sex with her. There is evidence against me. But he was ready to prove that the sex that I had with her, at the time you claim Babaji also touched her, I didn't touch a 14-year-old. He was ready to prove that the girl was an adult. And at the end of the day, it's now make no sense in a sane society why Damola Adekola was not even arraigned by Lagos State government. These are the things I would want the Attorney General to have addressed when she was speaking, or this media should ask him. Now, we had from Yomi Fabi, in his post, he talked about that Damola Adekola was allowed to walk free, despite the fact him admitting to having sex with the same 14-year-old. Can you, in your honesty, tell us, the Attorney General, why your ministry said he doesn't have a case to answer, or why is he not in court? Maybe then everybody will start reasoning along that. Then then you should be able to try Damola Adekola. But I am telling you, my honor, it is obvious that Damola Adekola was going to fight his innocence and prove to the court that I did have sex with a 14-year-old. If he established before the court that the girl was an adult, then there is a serious crime. Even the girl will be going to jail. And all these people shouting pedophile, touching the minor, will keep quiet. Despite the fact that I still want everybody that abuse children to be punished. Everybody that abuse minors sexually should be punished. But in this case, if by allowing a confirmed person, so majority of people talking about this case are speaking of isolated evidence, not the general truth that you all know. And that is one of the impediments that is hurting this country. You will be looking for adjectives to nail people that are speaking the truth. He has done his time. When I said officially out in my statement, it means he's been to prison and officially he's out. That's an official release. They know that I'm speaking the truth. I only have to come and explain, okay, that while he was in prison, he went to court of appeal to remove the remaining 4 count charges, but particularly the one that borders on him indecently touching a minor, having sex, the cockroach body. I didn't do all that. And it was cleared. That was the statement I wrote. They know that is a statement. Even if I write it that way and the feeling is ambiguous, he's the law officer. They can buttress and explain better. Why make it look like I've committed a crime? Because majority do not know that this person has been cleared of having sex with a girl. And then, the only thing officially was sexual assault.
Sexual assault not too. Assault law is not.
The only thing. You understand, madam? if somebody is accused of for money another year, tó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé gbogbo ìtẹ́sọ́ fún bọ́mọ̀ sùn òun ti kọ́kọ́ lọ́bọ̀dì ẹ̀ ò ṣẹlẹ̀ irọ́ lọ́pàá tó bá kílẹ̀ pé kò ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣé ká má sọ ni. ẹ̀yin lẹ́yìn wo pé kọ́ sọ pé ó ṣàtìgbẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ lẹ́yìn kan wá and this person is facing different allegations. The one tó wà wítì ẹ̀ fẹ́ kó tó yẹn balẹ̀ because you want me to say he has been guilty meanwhile ẹ̀ fẹ́ àṣẹ pé gbogbo ìtọ́pa ó bọ́mọ̀ sùn lọ́mọdún méje that princess just cooked it up.
Join Discovery Life.
I can tell you on my honor títí tó fi parí kéésì kò sí evidence ẹ̀kọ́ báyìí lọ́gbọ́lẹ̀ pé ó bọ́mọ̀ ẹ̀sùn lọ́mọdún méje. Even princess to get here go. She didn't even come to herself as a witness. But yes, when my daughter was 7-year-old, I noticed she was defiled. And somebody penetrated her vagina and I took her to hospital. She said I did not notice anything. So the fact remains that I'm talking about 2 different incidents. 7 years ago and when she was entrapped. And he cannot sort of wait 7 years, don't carry her. It's still the process of the law.
The lady came out yesterday. Lady only, I've forgotten her name. I think she's the theater practitioner as well. She came out yesterday and said, "My Majesty has had these kind of things before. Are you aware about that, sir?"
You didn't mention the name.
Has been doing it. Stop bringing people up.
I don't have the name of. If you have said the name of a person, I didn't know the video you're talking about.
The woman's name. Okay, I'm trying to find out. Then I'm still on this platform.
You know what? She is. I'll find out. I just want you to understand. So, you know, I just want people to understand one thing. Hold on, sir. I want people to understand one thing. I would never encourage and enable sexual abuse on children. I have been fighting for children, fighting for women more than I can tell you the larger percentage of my colleagues. What we are looking at is if you are representing human rights, everybody has got their rights, including any Nigerians don't have the basic education and knowledge. Majority do not understand that human rights does not belong to just any victim. Even a complainant, even a defendant, the accused person only writes it here. We live in a society that would believe we are not even raised with the basic knowledge of human rights. Men are not school. Everyone just believe about social media. Anybody to commit a crime, any follow up. Even when people commit crime and they are going to be released back into the society, there is a way the society must approach them. You must accept them back because prison is not is to correct. It's a correctional center. These are the basic knowledge that we have to keep in mind. So people, the basic knowledge I want to enter when they degree. Even our public servants, they need more knowledge to be fast, more national orientation, to let people know that the prison is a correctional center. If somebody does something wrong, you send them to prison to say, don't do it again. But are we going to be denying the fact that people have been sent to prison on false accusation? Bible got to for an instance of Joseph. He went to prison because he was accused of attempted rape that he never committed. That doesn't mean the Bible was supporting rape. But it's telling us that it does happen. Michael Jackson was accused of abusing children. He was acquitted totally. People stood and gave him support. So when we talk about the real aspect of law, education is here. I am not looking for people to love me. I am not looking for people just do right by my side. If you are a law officer, do your job. If you are a police officer, do the right thing. Be honest. Don't be selective. Don't look at sentiments. If at the end of the day, all of you as women would have said that it is okay for a mother to deliberately ask an innocent, if truly the girl was 14, that submit your body to suffer PTSD. Submit your body to suffer trauma because I want to gather evidence. I am saying to you there is no propensity. You don't do that in any safe society. It's not acceptable in any law. Any child protection law does not give room for anybody to do that. This woman keep shielding, hiding the true fact. He can't continue to encourage such a woman. Because we're rubbish here, then results because they're talking about people come out here sharing and so. And these women will public figures, they put up some sentiments and samples and this woman deliberately want to destroy my vacation. 7-year-old will stand as a witness. She can't even stand and say, I witnessed it. So where were you? That a 7-year-old was defiled under your roof. Okay, why did you refuse to tell the police? Why did the police and this Ministry of Justice, why did this Commissioner of Police not charge her? Why are you doing? You don't know about Bagisha, 7 years incident. Now the Gabana de Kola, before you send the Bagisha home, you knew about the Gabana de Kola. You knew about your security killing. What are you using this girl for? Why didn't you tell the police? These women are not saying, are we dealing with a maniac here? Is she having a mental problem? And they're just talking about why did Bagisha touch? Bagisha has right to sexual feelings. If you set him up with flirting, he's likely to fall. President of America fell for flirting. If you want to contend that she's 14, prove the age and let us know. I can tell you for free. There is nothing to prove that the girl is truly 14. I'm not convinced that the girl is 14. I can tell you for free, it's my opinion, it's my own stance. I didn't sit on social media to be talking about a serious crime like this. I followed through and I was expecting that the justice system will prove to Baba Ijesha that you actually touched a 14-year-old with documentary evidence. Nothing was proven to the man. President is 14 and not again. And you want me to keep quiet because I am going to be scared of people attacking me. For what? For what? So all these things, we just have to understand that people's angle are about other areas still so and it can for must you even put laws into your hand? So if the law is working, why is it not working against Princess? Why is it working on just one person? That Princess is a maniac. She has mental health problem. They will put you there around again. And then she will repeat the same nonsense. How did it happen? Because people said what you did with your foster daughter is legitimate.
The academic
is legitimate. It's okay. Which I am saying, nobody should do that. Don't do that. The debt we owe every child is protection. And Princess never come honest in protecting that girl. Not even speaking the truth when she did speak. And she was even concealing serious evidence. Even the CCTV, they would have seen how the whole thing was planned, how they coached the girl, how they tortured Baba Ijesha, and the judge would have thrown the case out. They covered it up and they put up nonsense out there. I said, when we see genuine cases, we want to pursue it. What we want to do as a society to stand by genuine victims, not all this one orchestrated. And at the end of the day, tomorrow the girl will do a podcast and say, do you know that I was meant to lie by my foster mother? I was an adult when they used me to blame Baba Ijesha. Then the whole society will start saying, let's create a good family for Baba Ijesha. Must we continue to do this nonsense? That's what we're saying. So good morning, everyone.
Sorry, one after the other, please. Hold on.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Yeah, Mr. Yomi, God bless you for the good work you've done and everything. My own question is, which efforts are you trying to make to guide Baba Ijesha after being free now, not to further victim again? Because these people, they are ready to go extra miles to make sure he ends behind bar again. For being sense to come out after being 24 hours, to come out and rant again, because I was here that at the rant, because calling him that this man should not move near your house, should not lodge schools, hotels. If you see him, he's a rapist, he's a does, that he's still bitter. And they can go extra miles to even make him to fall victim of such again. So which effort have you talked to Baba Ijesha and which things are you making for Baba Ijesha not to fall victim? He's not married, but and the flesh will still demand for so many things, like my just but hope they won't set him up. Which effort are we trying to make not for him not to fall victim again? And do you have people around him that can just be guiding him? Because you are not always available. So which effort have you put in place so that Baba Ijesha will not fall victim again?
Please clap for him. That's a very wonderful question. Please clap for him. The reason why I said they should clap is because this is how sane people think. If the justice system gave him an opportunity to come back into the society, we have a duty to ensure that he doesn't fall into a repeat. Naturally, you would have expected that the correctional center he went to, he would have learned a lot of lessons. But of course, the society, we all have a role to ensure that while he is reunited, we embrace in a way that a repeat doesn't come up. And people, but when you look at now that angle that you said, that they could set him up again, because they know he has the natural tendency to have feelings. And now the trauma is, if he wants to go into any relationship, whether with a 22-year-old, whether with a 40-year-old, the question will be, is this not a trap? Are you not going to be coming up to say, I rape again? But the best thing I can only say is, you should just get married as quickly as possible. If he finds somebody who understands him, who likes him, who believes that he's a human and he has been to the prison and he has learned more lessons. If he finds somebody who believes in him, that likes him, that he should just go and get married, maintain that relationship and avoid sescapade. Because if you are married or if you are unmarried and you are dealing with any woman, you can fall the same victim that I shall fall into. Even parents now is so dangerous. We just saw a father being accused of sexually molesting his own children when it did not even actually happen, just because there is a scorn of a woman. And when people hypocritically, if it is also direct sexual abuse on a child, we understand that, this is a genuine victim and genuine predator, punish him. But when we see organized crime, it is important for a society to be careful and say, what if you just want to destroy this person's life? Because all these things that you put up is ingredients of somebody that wants to destroy somebody. And it could be that it's an ingredient of somebody who is trying to put the laws into their hands to catch a predator. We can't easily say here. You knew about sexual abuse of your neighbor on the same girl. You didn't report to police. 7 years since you didn't report different. So how do you want us to quickly believe this one that you just planned up? Even if the man fell for the trap. So and if it was adult to adult, then you cannot continue to say that this is a pedophile. They both acceded. The girl agreed to be in that spot. She knew there was a camera. So anybody saying there was no consent are just hypocrites. Consent will not happen. About those camera video, capture. What What other consent are you expecting? She knew even if he doesn't touch me, I'll make him to touch me. So they enabled. The enabler is a princess. And these are the things that we don't want in our society. And I will speak the truth to any police officer, any government, any Ministry of Justice. You must condemn this act and you must prosecute it. Failure to prosecute it, it's not going to make any sense to me. The entire case won't make sense to me. Because at the end of the day, which one are you doing? Are you selecting the crime you want to do in a particular same case? What is the rationale? If the Attorney General wants to explain, they should explain to us why the Amola Nicola is allowed to go. Why all the crimes committed by princess is not prosecuted. Then let's see if it makes sense. Then I'm okay. If it just for the betterment of the society, let's say when crime the princess commit, will need to be prosecuted. Crime the Amola Nicola commit, will need to be prosecuted. If they explain to all these people claiming to be mothers, the new justice seekers fighting for children, then we'll hear from the Attorney General. Not to be saying, I said appeal court release. Why would I say appeal court release? But appeal court, they freed him of that crime, which was what I said. So that is what we should be looking into as a society. He has learned his lessons. The only thing I can do is advise him, be careful. But he's an adult. He's in a tricky situation. You understand? But I can only speak generally like this. Everybody should be careful. If you have anybody you like, you want to deal with, ask for the age first. And ensure that you are on the right side of the law before you go down with anybody.
Mr. Yomi, can I quickly just say something? Then I submit, I can go down for others to come in. Thank you for giving me the platform to come up. Mr. Yomi, to be honest, I love the way you speak explicitly and clarifying a manner of things. But some things are not clear. You know, any man can fall, and the time and method will differ. And I'm of the opinion that we are on the edge of castigating one another, even when all of us, we are part of the menace in our society. It's a pity that our society is full of corruptions and bitterness, and we also tend to bring one another down instead of complimenting and supporting and boosting each other. But come to think of it, I wanted to ask you this question, but before I ask you, I want to say one or two things. I wanted to ask, lawyer will not defend Babajisha, because to me, lawyer Tiobani, we have got table predicament to on ground, so the table will be, okay, what are the evidences and how do we go about these evidences? Because if you are telling me that on proof age, another sentence Babajisha, that is wrong, and it also shows the porosity in our justice system. It also shows the porosity in our justice system that we don't have a fair society. An individual can just come up with anything just to bring another person down. Don't have resources, don't have any across, don't that will bring anybody down. But my own concern is because our facts not today were not because how long she did chat on the phone, she could see understanding between then evidences because what to show you about okay,
the point is, Princess message Babajisha, I want you to come and shoot a movie with me and give her that place as the location. She sent a WhatsApp message and an Instagram message, and they were tendered as evidence before the courts. And even the government, they don't even negate it. They know it was a genuine base which she used. And as a matter of fact, luring an innocent citizen when you're not in law enforcement is a criminal offense. You don't lure somebody to come and commit crime. Don't do it. Now, there was no conversation between Babajisha and that girl. Princess deceived the law enforcement that 7 years ago, Babajisha didn't go nowhere. The same Babajisha know where you live. He didn't come to do anything until the interest now came up until you invited him to come and shoot movie. Now, the point is this. The girl confirmed in court that why were you closed the door with Babajisha, why you were alone with Babajisha in the house. You locked the door with you and him. And then you didn't go anywhere else. You're now a grown-up. You know your right from your left. You could walk away from the house, you could scream, you could do anything. If truly you are still paying. Now, when you are left with Babajisha alone, in this video we are looking at, you locked the door. Your mother said, come and lock the door. As at that time, your mom said, come and lock the door. Both of you knew that there was a camera that is already installed to record. Like, when you locked the door, you didn't go to your room, you didn't go to another chair. You came back to sit beside the same Babajisha. Do you understand? It shows that the girl was already groomed and she knew what she was doing. That's an organized crime. Because the police are not involved. The police denied that they are not involved. And I'm like, why is the government and the police looking at this and saying, this is a crime you have committed here, Princess. If they have arraigned and charged everybody involved in this case, the authentic truth would have been established. Number one, my brother, I need to tell you one of a thing. There would never be a reason to even accuse Babajisha of having sex with that girl, because at that point the truth would have been established that the whole 7-year story would have been removed and said, sorry, you are not speaking the truth here, we can't take it. Because you yourself, nobody is to witness. You yourself, if truly it happened, you would have reported to the police. And then immediately, now look at only 7 years, you didn't tell the police. Now, Baba Aisha, because you know why I'm telling you this. Like when you talk about the incident, there is a lot of people who are in prison for this kind of issue, for example. And where come I will buy because a lot of nations, a lot of destinies. But okay, I don't want you to look at it only from the angle of setup. I want you to look at it from the angle of everything. Yes, Baba. They did everything. You know what's in there anyway? The only thing the Lagos State government, so if you believe Baba Aisha did what he did, as at that time, was the statement, confessional statement, only on file. You got to send it was somewhere. I didn't Baba Aisha to commit a crime. I can say, 7 years ago. They don't know the belief and the saw Baba Aisha's signature, so they are good to go to say yes, he committed a crime. By the time they did trial, they won't realize they are not going to statement to Baba Aisha. They only gave Baba Aisha to sign. And he presented it as if it was Baba Aisha that wrote it. Was it in English or in Yoruba? Sorry to interrogate. In English. How proficient is Baba Aisha in writing English or in writing sentences in English? He didn't write. He wasn't the one that wrote it. Because if it is that, the lawyer should also be able to prove and defend him on that note. He was not the one who wrote that. That's what I'm telling you. When the trial was on, and they put it before the police officer, Margaret or something was her name. She had about 16 years experience, 14 to 16 years experience as the IPO. And then she was able to accept that, yes, I was the one that wrote the statement. And they said, why did you write the statement for him? He said, she wrote it under caution. Okay, now, you wrote it under caution. Under the administration of criminal justice law in Lagos State, if you are writing a statement on behalf of a suspect, you must admit it in a language that he understand. You must be asking him a language that he understand. And when you finish writing for him in your own handwriting as a police officer or whoever, you must put your name, append your signature. Then, there must be a witness to show. Because then you are going to sign. It's like that statement becomes an invalid. And I can tell you for free, during the trial, they stepped down that statement and said, no, we're not going to be admitting it yet as an evidence against Baba Aisha. They went into trial within trial. And when it was time to now give ruling, the statement was admitted to the surprise of the court. And the senior advocate, they challenged that, what is going on? The law is direct. This statement can't, because it's already fraud. If it is not fraud, you won't order that there should be trial within trial. Now that they admitted the statement, we're like, what's going on? The judge said, calm down, don't worry. That you only attach weight to it at the end of our verdict. Do you understand? So most of these things, it's not that because we're trying to save our society. Yeah, but don't come down. I want to come down so I can give other people a chance. I just want to say one last thing more. Sherry, I want to ask you, I see it as an unfair judgment on one part of the organized crime. And because if you say Baba Aisha touched that girl 7 years ago, it must have been that he might not even have touched that girl based on the fact that it was an organized crime. Or because he signed and based on being one to one statement on his behalf. But we said to my little company to fair, kill platform. But one thing I just want to ask is that do you want to fight it? Are you going to fight it? I know you have served these sentences based on assault. But on the other end, seeing it as an unfair approach or justice that has been served in a way that people have already seen as an organized crime, do you feel that it is worth fighting for? Because you can fight this and you can prove the justice system wrong in what they have done about not putting some evidences in play before they actually concluded. But the assault part, I know you have served this, but this is an unfair judgment that has been given. And the organized crime needs to be brought to book, because or else something like this will happen again to another man. The only way we can go about it is, like I said, I saw the reports or the press conference of the Attorney General. The only thing I can do is to appeal. We all want a better society, and they should understand that humility is needed in any position of public office. They should look into the own flights now and so and go back and arrest Princess, prosecute Damola Adekola. If Damola Adekola is being prosecuted, then you realize eventually that the truth will be brought out, because an attempt not to prosecute Princess, they won't be able to establish the true age of the girl. But if they prosecute Princess, they would have to say, you need to prove the age of this girl. And then, why did you conceal? Why didn't you tell the police? Is it okay for you not to tell the police about the incidents of Damola Adekola? She didn't say it after she said anything about it after she was arrested. So why did any parent, any mother would support such a woman that you are hiding all the sexual abuses against this girl, even the ones that are under your nose? How can you look at that kind of individual and you enable that she's just caliphant, she's just bitter, she wants to destroy souls, she doesn't care who she used.
Let's go and engage like a
Okay, no problem.
Continue.
Okay. Me, I'm going to say this over so that we can understand ourselves very well. Sir, Sherry, in content of person, Ọlọ́run ọba tó ti fún yín láti lè kò ní fi ń sílẹ̀. And secondly ni pé mo fẹ́ try kẹwàá láti sit Baba Ijesha down because those people are not ready to pack up. Wọ́n ní láti wọ́n fẹ́ fight man yìí to the end as in wọ́n fẹ́ end the career ẹ̀. You understand? And wọ́n lẹ́ni tí ò bá léyàn ó lọ́lọ́run ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ tún ní Ọlọ́run ẹlẹ́gẹ̀ẹ́jì Baba Ijesha báyìí Ọlọ́run kò dẹ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ inú sílẹ̀. Nǹkan tẹ́mi rí nọ̀rọ̀ yìí ni pé justice is over selective. You understand? Báwo ni police ṣe máa kọ statement fún yàn tí wọ́n wá gbé fún kókà tó fún wa sign sí? You understand me, sir?
Can't he write by himself? The police officer said, and I quote, that when we brought Baba Ijesha into the station, the DPO said we should go and obtain a statement. I took him to my office. I offered him chair. He was too weak to sit on the chair. He said he is okay to sit on the floor. And because the DPO said I should obtain a statement, I have no choice than to obtain a statement in that condition. And that was when the judge felt like, you did in that condition. And then when you now wrote the statement for him, you presented it as if he was the one that wrote it. Because you made him sign as if he was the one that wrote it with his handwriting. This is where you cannot blame the Lagos State government. That was what they saw. They saw an admission of crime by Baba Ijesha initially in that statement. That he did what would naturally send him to life imprisonment. The pain don't come around being like a prophet publication or anything. And if you want to stop it, what you want to do, what you want to efficient around 40 years. Then definitely the government and the courts saw some truth. That's why they were able to give a very reasonable, sentence. When you're not very appeal on the next good day, I will continue to speak my truth. Sentiment in social media, you think they care about children. I know in my conscience that I care about children. I protect and fight for women. Hold on. Not comment section on social media. I don't want anybody to like me. Just to write by my side. But artists don't like that. Nobody will come to your grave. Flower your go ask me.
I swear.
I want to live a better life. I want life to get better for my children and the innocent people, my fans, everybody. Give the idea better. I want to one princess in Dogo in England. Now the first one is she somebody. If it can, she can't be doing it in England. If she try all those nonsense, but see justice system don't have to lie. So I want to wait on Nigeria. I want to that girl does not have semblance of dignity in Nigeria. But to the same girl, the same incident, princess will never even come close to any child. Life in prison, make it no matter the charges. And at the end of the day, I think, why will you even falsify? It's a privilege. And for fear, yes, and if you sentence, if you are and if I can survive.
Mr. Yomi, God bless you, sir. Program content one minute. I don't want to block that. Because I will tell the truth. I want your country benefit. I want to be everybody has a child, and everybody loves a child, and the president support child molestation. Nobody supported it. Nobody. Abiyamo consent to support it.
Oh, they know we don't support. They know I don't support.
Now,
they know. What of people are like
set up. Come and set it up. We need to go and visit in our dear country, Nigeria. I will go to share the report on Balano by Monka News Council. Because we have a video. One of them, we have also killed with Fish. There are Dr. Congo. It has no affect you. Which it could happen. What is your relationship about channel? It could happen. What is your relationship? What is your relationship? Master for you, I'm going to lower the tea. Be careful for people. Don't the life of people too much. Because they are giving you something. You make them your God. They can destroy you for offending.
But the princess here, she video. What a lot for your judge, your way. I try my best. I put you in school. And it will not judge your way. It's you fool. As if you're sexually connected. I said, what's all this nonsense?
If people are helping you, I have to go through. I know to come. And be very, very careful. Baba Ijesha was not careful. What did that people do? What were to lose? I'm telling you, because your friendship told you, why can't you know? Why? Where were all of you going? After no, I'm going to talk. One of the 4 victims here. See what you can. What did you do? Mr. I'm going to make this okay. If you are not very careful, you will destroy your life. Anytime
mọ́ pa go check and see this. Can we use plan A, plan B? Ọlọ́pàá ni wọ́n wá instruct pé go and do this, go and do this. There was nothing like that. So we are giving judgment by ourselves in our dear country. What did they share? Anybody? Àwọn ṣe ìdájọ́ ara wa. Bàbá ṣe mọ̀yàn tó. Bàbá ṣe níyàn tó. Àwọn punish, àwọn ṣe tó wà. Ẹ bá dé àwọn platform kan. Ẹ bá ṣe àwọn platform kan. Èyàn kan sọ, ó yẹ kó lọ sọ àbáyẹ ni. Ó yẹ kó fìbọn kó fọ́. Ó yẹ kó ṣe jáde, ó yẹ kó padà rẹ̀ ti ní. Ó yẹ kó ṣe gbàkan báyìí ní direct ni. Ó yẹ kó ṣe gbàkan direct ni. Àwọn àlùkà, okay, àti ó ti jìyà ṣe. Ó ti jìyà ṣe. Àti mọ̀ kó ti jìyà ṣe 5 years. Ìyẹn náà máa kọ́ lọ́gbọ́n ẹ̀mọ́kẹ́ tó lọ sẹ́wọ̀n náà.
3 years 4 months náà. 3 years 4 months.
So ẹ tó lọ sẹ́wọ̀n. Gbogbo ẹ̀dì ó lè wálé ẹ̀dì gbígbà àwọn tó yà láti tẹ́kọ̀ ṣe ọ̀nà. But up to this ẹ tó wá jáde ẹ tó dictate fáwọn life àwọn èèyàn pé ẹ má fún nílé o, ẹ má fún nílé o, ẹ má jẹ́ kó lè sọ́dọ̀ yín o, ẹ má gbà yín lọ́dọ̀, ẹ má gbà yín lọ́dọ̀.
Imagine you wickedness as a scorn here.
So that means it is not even into ṣe yẹn kọ́, that means it is a plan work. Ó ti ká mọ̀ pé ẹ plan pé
Mr. Isaac,
ayé jẹ́.
Mr. Isaac, ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀ gbà pé politician tẹ̀lé wrong. Ṣebí wọ́n tó ló pé ní princess, ó mọ̀ pé ó ti lọ serve time ẹ̀, ó ti correct ẹ̀, ó ti jẹ̀yẹ̀ ṣẹ̀. Ó ti correct ẹ̀, ó ti for punishment for him. Wèrè tí ó yẹ kó tiẹ̀ fílẹ̀ láàrin èèyàn gidi. Ṣé wo èèyàn gidi máa fi lo princess síbi tọ́mọ ẹ̀ wà? Ẹni tí ó dání ọmọ tó bá mọ̀ wá ní ọmọ ní tó tiẹ̀ ṣe ló jẹ́ ìrora ọjọ́. Ó ṣe ọmọ lọ́mọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ẹjọ́ àwa lọ síbi iṣẹ́ ẹjọ́ jẹ́ kí n kásáré sọ 1 minute ẹjọ́ má bínú bros. Mr. Yomi, mo mú àwọn èèyàn sọ pé bàbá Àjẹsọ wà careful. Bàbá Àjẹsọ careful. Mi ò fẹ́ káwọn yẹn máa sọ̀rọ̀ yín. Ṣé ẹnìkan wà láyé tó jẹ́ ọkọ̀ kan dádúró tẹ́ máa sọ pé wà very careful? Ṣé Mohbad wà very careful? Mohbad kọrin kan ní màá jẹ́ ká mú mi even if na die minute. Ṣé wọ́n mú ni? Ṣé Mohbad yẹn kọ́ ló ń bú Tonto-Dike tó? Ṣé tí Mohbad máa ń Tonto-Dike ni? Wọ́n ti ṣẹ̀dá wọn Tonto-Dike. Wọ́n ní mo yá fẹ́rẹ́kẹ́. Ṣé kò bá wọn Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ni? Ẹ wo, ká bá ti jí ẹjẹ́ ká máa gbàdúrà, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kí ayé kó mú wa. Ṣé Bàbá Àjẹsọ ọmọ kan tó ṣe fún wa very careful ni? Wọ́n ti ní mú gbogbo ẹ̀ bá ní. Ẹ mọ́ sọ wá ní ìgbà yà
Careful in this world. If you run to anybody careless.
Kò sẹ́ni tí ó lè bá sọ pé àwọn olórí burúkú yẹn. Ṣé wọ́n pa Mohbad tó ẹgbẹ́ tó bá jẹ́ pé Mohbad wà láyé tó ẹgbẹ́ wọn ni Mohbad lọ sí àní máa dúpẹ́ báyìí. Tó ẹgbẹ́ wọn pa tó ẹgbẹ́ wọn lọ sí àní máa dúpẹ́.
Àwọn tẹ́lẹ̀ sọ ṣé wọn mọ bó ṣe kú ni? Ṣé wọn mọ yẹn pa? Wọ́n dẹ̀ find out.
Ẹ wọ́n bá ṣe waste life ọmọ náà mọ́. The same thing wọ́n lè ṣe fún Bàbá Àjẹsà yìí náà bẹ́ẹ̀ kàn pa bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Kò sẹ́ni tí wọ́n lè ṣe fún. Àwọn people yìí wọ́n wicked, they are very wicked. Okay, Mr. Yomi, ẹjọ́ tó yọ Ọlọ́run fẹ́ sọ ọkọ fún yín. Ṣé kò sí pé Bàbá Àjẹsà ṣe lè fight back ni? Ṣé wọ́n ní wọ́n àìlọ́jà dúró ni? Ṣé kò sí bí wọ́n ṣe lè ṣe kọ́nà ó kò ní Government UK ṣì máa pè lọ́yìn máa kọ́ máa bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé ṣe camera or not. Was 14. What did you do to protect her against? And what if someone like a predator? You said you are away. Why did you leave them together in the house? To the common and when you know your camera was rolling. See UK government, but why would is reasonable? They would know. I want to tell Nigeria. You know what camera roll. Oh my God, camera roll. That's 40 years old. Oh, I feel it. Oh, but the feel it to my baggage. And then you should set up. I want to àwọn tó ń ba ìbò yẹn jẹ àwọn ọmọ àlè àjòjì tó yẹ kó wọn bí sí kò tí ì sọ mi kó 80% ló ń ba ìbò yẹn jẹ. àgbọ̀nrẹ́ tí mi máa gbà ní Donald Trump tó bá ti fẹ́ wá jà wọ́n lọ nọ́ọ̀tì nìkan kọ́kọ́ bá wa wáìpù àwọn ọmọ àlè kó lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ Donald Trump kó ní kó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ àlè kọ́kọ́ wáìpù àwọn ọ̀dà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yẹn àwọn náà ti máa jẹ ẹ̀fọ́ tí àkàrà tó ní kò jù síbẹ̀ kó kọ́kọ́ fi máa báyọ̀ fún àwọn Nigeria is man on man. I swear. There was former Senate President, Deputy President, to fellow look in the form one. So I'm going to exactly. I got that. If it's in Nigeria, 100% gone with the law. Come on, back before God, not in Mutini. Let it go. Let it go. Up in and down, you just have the up down. You maybe about saying and getting why you are lie. Oh, my God, I don't know that for 17 years. What you are doing? Oh, no. I know what I'm saying. Nigeria is just crazy. And the top of the about the top of the top of the Baba Yanni Tidamola Nicola, you know to cover it. Oh, my God. Why do you think like this? Your way, like the one, I don't be government to be in your way to start with. Baba, ṣe tó wá fún ilé àṣírí kan, ẹ̀ kàtẹ́ ìgbàgbọ́ òkè ní UK 14 ni. Tọ́wọ́ akọ́ ni pé wọ́n complain fún wa pé Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà ṣe ọkọ̀ ló ṣe set ẹ̀ ọ́. Ọwọ́ àríyá láìsí pé neighbor ọ̀dẹ́jọ́ wà nílé tí ẹ̀ ń bọ́ bọ̀ yẹn sọ ó bọ̀ bó bá sùn. Ó tẹ̀
caring for children in general. The way they for general children.
Airport any abroad, London, Yankee, Canada, man so bad at the port of entry. One ask them, they so bad, they will never fall on the front. I'm lying. I'm going to the port of entry, go and check all of them. I swear to God, I'm so bad. What are we talking about? Everybody must struggle. Everybody share. They don't say the truth in that country. Foundation decking roof painting that's why so they cannot settle. So you try your best. Let me be honest with you. There is one show, one blog that you just left. I was in that blog on FYP. All attack I told you to come down. All attacking because they don't want you to say the truth. Fine, to mess up legit for Kobabajesha. For president to come out again, go bet me, quote me, over hard to prove asylum. You will now tell them to go online. I know what I'm saying. They go to my jade. Over more proof. That's why they came online. I know what I'm saying. Daniel, sorry. Oh my jade, it's a way back with me. Whatever we don't lawyer, I'm prove it wrong. Come prove it wrong. Am I know now?
So thank you so much, Mr. Jerry.
All right, Almighty, can we have you, please? Amazingly, please. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Before I start, Mr. Ifabi, good morning, sir. It's an honor to meet you. And, in fact, I'm very happy this morning I'm here. And I think if more people like you are in Nigeria will be a better place. There's no emotion of law. You said something that is very key, which is what I said yesterday when I was on the panel. Anything that is premeditated is illegal as long as police is not involved. And Mata, we all know that we see that in the world. We all know that princess only use this to punish the innocent man. We don't know. I'm not saying this or that, but as the story played out, I think it was a punishment. And it's a pity that I'm also a human rights activist like you, sir. It's a pity that the Nigerian system has made a lot of innocent people suffer today. Imagine what you told us now, that they wrote a statement for him, and they admitted that in the court of law. It's wrong. I believe, sir, I'm very sorry to say, sir, that your work is not yet done, sir, because you've done very well. In fact, you need to be celebrated. But, sir, you still need to help this man to fight for what he has suffered for, because he has suffered for what he did not do to me. He has suffered for what he did not do. And like Mr. Jerry said, if it's a Senate crime, I'm talking about the UK. President should be in jail. If you claim the child is a minor, thank you very much. You don't expose a minor to those kind of situations and go scot-free and still have the audacity and the right to come out of social media and say you
subjected a minor to that.
Yes.
Women are claiming and supporting. Yes. Animal, they form what you do.
Don't do that.
That princess. We have to speak the truth to ourselves. She can use such money to achieve her aim. I want to say something about it. That's why you're getting.
Sir, you're not going to just call him. I'm sorry to that statement. The video alone has told us everything we need to know. The video alone has told us everything. The video alone. We already know what the video is about. We also know the story.
And it was so shameful. One of these hosts, saying that it is okay to use a minor to bait a man, a predator. I said in a same
sir. I've done child courses in the UK. I've done a lot of child courses in the UK. Even in Ireland, there is something we were taught. Even the I don't know, I forget their names. Dog guys. They use dummy accounts on social media.
You don't involve children.
I talk to you that when they catch you, they'll tell you it was a dummy account you use. You give it with charge, blah 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 blah. So we never expose a minor to that kind of thing. And yet, because it is a child is involved, people want to be sentimental. No. We're not saying they should not look at the law, but we should look at the law squarely, honestly, truthfully,
and not selectively.
Yeah, so sir, please, I don't know, because I know you've done a lot. I watched one of your videos. I don't know if you can remember, and you will remember because you're the one that did it. You were somewhere in a room, you were hiding here. I felt for you. I was like, Why is this man going through all this? I don't know if you want the video you posted online.
I know. It's a cost of justice. It's part of it.
I believe your work is not done. I believe you still need to fight for that man because I feel his level of literacy again was used against him.
Yeah.
They used it against him. It's very clear. It's a story I followed keenly. They used it against him.
You know, when you speak about things like this, all these disgusting individuals, they would find a way to want to label us and make it look like if you don't speak in their own sentiments, if you don't come out and tell them that, they think like everybody must sleep and face the same side, and the fact that you don't just isolate that particular incident alone. That you are,
Sir, that's why we are here. We have to get
you are a sympathizer to it. It's just like all this thing does not make any sense. Even the constitution is not going to. Normally, our constitution does not look into Babagisha's case alone. The normal constitution of Lagos State and Nigeria will not look into the act of Babagisha alone if it was an active and working constitution. Exactly. It will look into a video of Babagisha, Princess, Damola Adekola, road police, their own constitution is just looking for when we have terrible majority looking and arrogant with ignorance. Using the justice system to persecute and celebrate it's people's laws. Maybe I'll subscribe to you. They should have tried the case of and get us the truth. So I thank you so much. God bless you. I will take the last question because I got to go and freshen up, eat, and do some other things. Let me take it.
Are you there? Okay, if he's not there, tell me. Are you there? Tell me, Ebenezer. Yeah.
I was diagnosed with depression.
Not you. Okay. Bobby, you're down. Sorry, Tilu.
Let's in the absence of that, let me just take my leave. I can continue the conversation, and let's continue to protect children wherever we can. No law allow that anybody.
Yes, I cool. Share case if you follow it back to back, I don't know court. But mo realize pé social media àwọn èèyàn ò ní kúrò nílé nǹkan tí wọ́n bá ti gbọ́ láti ẹnu àwọn celeb wọn àti àwọn online celebrities ẹ̀ka sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ìyẹn gangan náà máa mú mọ́wọ́ nígbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ṣe tó tọ̀rọ̀ yẹn dé point kan mo realize ọ̀sánjọ́ kan mo realize nǹkan kankan ìmọ̀ bóyá nǹkan tó yẹ kí n sọ ni inú mi dẹ̀ bàjẹ́ abiyamọ lèmi náà o tó bá dẹ̀ when it comes to children matter èmi náà mo orí mi ṣe ní díẹ̀ o kò ṣe wá lọ́rọ̀ yìí ẹjẹ mú láti ọ̀rọ̀ princess kò tójú ọmọ yẹn dáadáa gbogbo ẹni tó bá lọ sí kóòtù yẹn fúnra rẹ̀ tó péjọ láàrin àwọn tí wọ́n ẹ máa mọ̀ wípé ẹni tí ò ní rú ẹni ò lè mọ iye ẹni ìwọ ló ní mítìn ní Sábó ó wá fi ọmọ lọ ti Dàmọ́lá Ọlátúnjí ní fúláàtì ẹ̀.
oníkó máa wo géèmù tó play
wọ́n wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé táìmù wo gangan là ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa èyí wọ́n ló tó bíi 9 or 9:30 mo lọ fún ti Dàmọ́lá ẹ̀rọ táìmù tó kàn before that time gbọ́dọ̀ ìpínlẹ̀ ìpínlẹ̀ ti ń Dàmọ́lá yẹn kan pẹ̀lú ọmọ yẹn rí pé bóyá ẹ̀kọ́ ń bá ṣe nǹkan kan ó ti tó lóun gbá létí àbí nǹkan kan after that time.
ọlọ́wọ́ ẹni kò rọtí lẹ́nu ẹ̀.
after àgbà yìí náà ń sọ o ṣé o ti yẹn yàbí amọ̀ torí ẹnìkan wà ní comment section ṣe sọ ní group of àwọn kí ló pè é sí so tí ẹ ká tó máa gba ìpè tó máa ṣí àìpè tọ́lọ́ mi máa gbàdúrà àwọn ìlérí dáríjì o ìjọba tó wá fẹ́ gbọ́ nǹkan ó ní ibìkan tí wọ́n fi Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà sí tó ti gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ nígbà táwọn mú yẹn ó ní tó fi sí mi federal police station yẹn bọ́dí popular lẹ́bi tí mẹ́ta tẹ́ ẹ bá wọ bẹ̀ àwọn tí wọ́n wà ní ọ́fíìsì náà wọ aṣọ àtàwọn tó wà láràndì ìjọ yẹn gangan ni mo rí àrísà kéèsì òkè ní tó ń sa wá wọn lọ́gbà yẹn tẹ́ bá rí nígbà tí lédi ó ti máa ń wọ bẹ̀ lédi ti máa ń wọ bẹ̀ wọ́n ti máa ń rìn yín wọ́n ti máa ń ṣàwọ́ àrèpọ́ìn tí wọ́n ti bá ti wọlé báyìí àwọn àmàgbòrá kọ̀ọ̀rọ̀ báyìí ọjọ́ yẹn gangan pé bọ́lá ń fẹ́ wò pé táwọn ya máa wo tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ kò ní yí kankan ó sábà ní nǹkan táwọn yẹn ti rí ó ní nǹkan tó ti lu sí wọn lọ́wọ́ ọjọ́ yẹn gangan ni mo pé Olúwa má yẹ ká já hálẹ̀ ayé yìí ṣe rí Ọlọ́run ló kéèsì yẹn Ọlọ́run ló mọ ó ṣe rí bìkọ́ sígbà tí wọ́n ń bèrè ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn náà wọ́n ní script conference ni wọ́n pè àwọn wá fún táwọn lọ ṣe ń bẹ̀ káàtì ní ọkùnrin ò lè ṣàìmá jẹ ọkùnrin lè ṣàìmá jẹ ọkùnrin tó yẹ pé jẹjẹ náà ni ẹ wá wọlú ìgbà tí bọ̀dá yẹn wọlé nínú CCTV àwọn ní CCTV ní ṣáà tó sọ fún wa yẹn nígbà tó ń wọlé wá tilẹ̀ nípa ìgbà tó yẹn fẹ́ lọ jókòó tọ́rọ̀ dandan kí wọ́n ti Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà jókòó sórí sí àkànnà ẹ̀ kó wá lọ rún jókòó báyìí tó gbogbo nǹkan yẹn kí ni yẹn ò ní ọ́díò wọ́n ṣàlàyé wọn kópa àfọ́bẹ́ láwọn ò rí ni bóyá ní kò jù báyẹn lọ ni bóyá ní fóònù làwọn fi ṣe oríṣiríṣi wọn kàn tí mo kàn fẹ́ sọ ni pé kó ní kálukú tọ́jú ọmọ ibi tí wọ́n máa fọmọ sí ká tó kéèyàn mọ ibi tí wọ́n máa fọmọ ẹ̀ sí bá ń pa yín wà tó máa jẹun nínú ilé kẹjọ máa gun gàrí ní ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ yẹn nígbà tó bá yẹn náà wọ́n ṣàlàyé bá bìlẹ̀ kó n take time ní court ọjọ́ yẹn gẹ́gẹ́ máa tún rí a lot of things ààrẹ láti jẹ́ psychologist àti ọmọ nǹkan wọ́n ní kó ọlọ́run ọlọ́run dájú mi wọ́n ní kó describe bí kìíní yẹn ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ bá ìmọ̀ yẹn ṣe rán nígbà tí yẹn sọ super story àbí tí yẹn ń ṣàlàyé bẹ́ntẹ́n pẹ̀lú ayọ̀ àti ìdùnnú àbísà àwọn olùkàwé o but àbísà irú gan ẹ máa dùn máa gan tí ọkùnrin bá gbàgede rèépù èèyàn tó bá ti wá ṣàlàyé ọ̀run á tó káyọ̀ tó yẹ pé àwọn àyè gámọ̀ lára pé kìíní yìí ó rọ̀ níbi kàtó rọ̀ kìíní ibi tó wá ní gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó wá ń sọ wá dùn mí nígbà tó wọ́n ṣèwẹ̀ fún wa ní o wọ́n ti fa àwọn tó ní kámẹ́rà gan wọ́n ti kàn ẹ má mú nǹkan kan jáde níjọ́ yẹn wọ́n wá ní ọjọ́ tí kìíní yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ báwo ló ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ tó tún narrate ibi tó ní narrate ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ni o nígbà tí kìíní kìíní wá ṣẹlẹ̀ tán wọ́n ní bolójú wọn ní ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ bolójú kò sí ló ṣe wọ́n tọ́ wọn ní immediately sáré wọ bedroom lọ clean up a sọ pé 7 years nígbà yẹn lọ́mọ yẹn sọ nígbà yẹn o sáré wọ bedroom wọn lọ clean up kò sọ fẹ́ni tó ń bá gbé bọ̀ báwo lọ́mọ yẹn ṣe wá mọ̀ pé tí nǹkan báyìí bá ṣẹlẹ̀ tán wà sáré wọ bedroom wọn lọ clean up nígbà tó wá dé tó clean up tó padà níbo ló wá jókòó sí ó ní ọ̀dọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ wọn náà ló jókòó sí ní pálọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ló wó wọn ní ojú ọgbẹ́ náà padà jókòó sí oríṣiríṣi ẹ̀kọ́ tẹ bá ń gbẹ́ wò bó ṣe móbìlì lẹ́yìn ni àbí kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run nìkan ló mọ nǹkan tó wà láàrin yẹn téèyàn mọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n observation tèmi kékeré tí mo rí nípa kéèsì yẹn nìyẹn tó bá fẹ́ fún yẹn lọ́mọtọ́ àmọ́ ìtàn fún lọ́mọtọ́ ṣé àwọn kan máa ń ṣe irúṣẹ́ tán ṣe yẹn entertainment nìkan yẹn kò ń sáyè púpọ̀ wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìyá ọmọ yẹn dàpọ̀ lábùjá àbíkan lọ́wọ́ lábúrò òun ni àbújá ló wà ìyá ọmọ dà wọn disclose orúkọ ìyá ọmọ wọn ti ìfá wọn paná bí ẹni bí orí èjì náà ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà ti débẹ̀ yẹn wọn paná bí tó bá ti fẹ́ bọ́ sí ọ̀rọ̀ ọgbọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìyá ọmọ yẹn kí wọ́n paná ẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ so Ọlọ́run ṣàánú o fún ká kó tọ́jú ọmọ ẹ̀ fún ara ẹ̀ ló ti dáa jù tó tó bá ráyè fọmọ yẹn ẹni irú ẹni tí ò ráyè tara ẹ̀yẹn tẹ́nìkan ló fọmọ tì mo fẹ́ ni náà ti máa lẹ́sìn ẹ̀mí rẹ̀ pé bó pẹ́ bóyá ìyá ọmọ yẹn náà máa jáde níbi kan tó bá wà tí inú Ọlọ́run bá bà á wá ṣàlàyé dènà ẹ ṣe.
Get that.
Kini yẹn mi ṣe mọ̀ bó ọkọ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ rí l'Amẹ́ríkà yìí wọ́n máa ń ṣe àyọ̀ tó mú lọ́kọ̀ tó rí several times dáadáa àkọ́ṣe ìlú láti lè ní ìdíbà wọ́n máa ń ṣe nǹkan beyond the reasonable doubt